Hello friends, I'm going to introduce your collab to you today. So the quick directions are this. We're going to use the equations and the tables and match them up with the graphs. They're all saying the same thing, but we got to figure out which ones are matching. So let's start with the graph first. Go to your graphs, and I'm going to ask for number 7. I'll just do number 7 here. What is your starting point on this graph? The starting point is when x is 0, y is -3. So then where's the next point that I can find the rise and run? Well, right here. There's an intersection here. It's going through the corner of the boxes here. It's going through the corner of the boxes here, and of course where we started. So what is the rise and run to each of these dots? Well, the rise is 1, 2, 3, and a run of 1, 2. A rise of 1, 2, 3, a run of 1, 2. Let's try from here. A rise of 1, 2, 3, a run of 1, 2. So we know that y is equal to rise over run x, the rate of change, minus 3, my starting point here. Okay, so I'm going to find this equation. Well, if I look over at my equation sets, I have 2 that have a 3 over 2x. So G has a rise over run of 3 over 2, and J has a rise over run of 3 over 2. So which one belongs to graph number 7? Well, it's going to be the one that starts with -3. There's my y-intercept, my starting point. So this letter J is the equation that you're going to want to cut out and paste into this graph. Next, I need to find the table that also matches. Well, when x is 0, what is y? When x is 0, y is -3. What are the xy coordinates for this dot down here? Well, when x is -2, y is -6. How about this dot above and to the right of it? Well, when x is +2, y is 0. You don't go up or down to get to it. How about the one above it? When x is 4, what is y? Y is 3. So when x is 2, y is 0. Is there a table with these same values? Let's take a look at O. O says when x is 0, y is -3. That's our y-intercept, right? When x is 2, y is 0. Check, check. When x is 4, y is 3. Check, check. When x was -2, y is -6, and those are all the points on this line. So now we have found that J is our equation, we'll cut and paste it here. O is our table, cut and paste it here. Good luck.